funny song about lying and getting cheated on, and I'll keep it clean 'cause mama taught me right. Still some of us here in this world we're too polite and nice to girls to say the dapper things here on my mind. Like how he left me like a fool, they used a dirty garden tool, and I was just on love that Richard head. So everybody sing along, 'cause karma's being mailed off. Well, karma, one day's gonna hurt you, and I wanna see it by you, right on your behind. So everybody that's been done wrong, well, come out and sing along, 'cause karma's a female dog. Well, I never say this to his face, I just go write it on MySpace and pray that it's a hit on radio. But I thought all you girls should know that he's a no-good donkey hole, and I'm gonna do what he done did to me. That piece that starts with an S and ends with a hit, I'll have it inspired this family fun and cuss-free therapy for everybody to sing along, 'cause karma's a female dog. Well, it don't matter anymore, 'cause my fine behind has hit the door, the same one someone else is chasing now. And he'll come running back so fast, and I'll tell him to kiss and ask me if I really ever care. And he'll be singing, karma, one day's gonna hurt you, and I wanna see it burn you, right on your backstabbing, no good cheating, left me crying with you leaving la line when you said you were really good. And everybody that's been done wrong, well, come on, sing along, 'cause karma's a female dog. Your karma's a female dog. I like chocolate, but my hips sure don't. I like drinking red wine, but tomorrow my head sure won't. These are just some things that I love that are bad for me. I like shopping, but my purse sure don't. I like wearing high heels, but tomorrow my feet sure won't. These are just some things I love that are bad for me. But of all the things I shouldn't do, number one is loving you. There's a fatal charm in your faithless arms. Why is everything that feels so dang good bad for me? I like fast cars, but the law sure don't. I like partying late, but tomorrow my boss sure won't. These are just some things I love that are bad for me. But of all the things I shouldn't do, number one is loving you. There's a fatal charm in your faithless arms. Why is everything that feels so dang good bad for me? Oh, I like danger, but common sense sure don't. Tonight I like your sweet lies, but tomorrow my heart sure won't. These are just some things I love that are bad for me. But of all the things I shouldn't do, number one is loving you. There's a fatal charm in your faithless arms.
You're
Why
bad.
is everything
Sit.
that feels so
Lay down.
good bad for me?
So I hate you.